Growth-oriented definition, according to Professor Samuelson, economic is the study of how people and society end up choosing with or without the use of money to employ scarce productive resources that could have alternative uses to produce various commodities over time and distributing them for consumption now or in the future among various persons and groups in the society. It analyzes cost and benefits of improving patterns of resource allocation. So certain features are efficient allocation of resources. As the resources have alternative uses, so as the resources have alternative uses, so at the same time the main problem lies in choice making. The resource should be efficiently utilized for maximum welfare. So efficient allocation of resources, as the resource, resource have alternative uses. A coal is there which can be used in the factory or it can be used in the house for cooking food. So it has an alternative uses. So at the same time, the main problem lies in choice making. Thus resources should be efficiently utilized to maximum welfare. Increases in productivity. Another feature of this definition is that it must increase productivity, resulting in an increase in economic growth, employment, and high standard of living. Dynamic. These definitions have imparted dynamism to economics. The study of economics is not restricted to the present day problem relating to consumption, production, distribution, etc. of economic resources, but it studies the future problem as well. Economics thus is concerned with the dynamic problem of economic development. Conclusion of all the definitions I have given you. So by taking the term of wealth from Adam Smith definition, welfare from Marshall, scarcity from Robinson, and economic growth from Samuelson, a concrete definition of economics can be constructed as: economics is a subject which studies those activities of man which are concerned with maximum satisfaction of wants or with the provision of welfare and economic growth by the efficient consumption, production, and exchange of scarce means having alternative use. So you can conclude from that all the four definitions that economics is a subject which studies those activities of man which are consumed with maximum satisfaction of wants or with the provision of welfare and economic growth by the efficient consumption, production, and exchange of scarce means having alternative uses. Thank you.